We're back in the she shed. Excuse me. The queen shed.
My favorite thing about having my transom light up there is the moon. I can see the moon when I'm laying here on the couch. Love it.
If you are a queen in your era of romanticizing life, sit down, get some tea, and come sit with me for a spell in the queen shed. The last time you were here in my Queen Shed's Chronicles, I told y'all I would be decorating for the fall. Although, if you've been here, you know that Christmas is really my jam, and I'm really ready to get started on that. But we're gonna let the fall have its time. We are going to let autumn be the queen that she is until it is Christmas time. So sit back and look at how I decorated my porch on the Queen Shed for fall. And then we'll go inside and I can show you all of the new happenings inside, darling. There's quite a lot of things happening in there. So you're going to want to stick around for all of the new things to see inside of the Queen Shed right after I'm done decorating out here. Looking kind of cutesy. I gotta figure out what I want to do with that flag over there. And gotta actually find my flagpole for that flag. But I need some mums. See, on that little table over there where I have that plant, I'm gonna make it mums. Yeah. I'm gonna run to the store and get some. But look at this. It's looking cute. And I'm gonna put some little handkerchiefs around these doggies' neck to make it look real cute. Almost there.
A little while later.
Meanwhile, inside, it's time to turn my attention to my office area. And look at this beauty of a chair. I got to spice it up a little bit and make it a vibrant working space. But, of course, in Bee of the Ball fashion, I had to make some modifications to the chair. So I took the legs off that it came with and ordered these 8-inch legs to make the chair taller, and then you can see the little gold tips on there that really went with the gold pieces that are within the space in terms of making sure the aesthetic aligns. And so I think they turned out really good. Now, if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here for a while, you know I'm just the queen romanticizing life, and I had to get me some of these feather pins that I thought were so whimsical. And speaking of whimsy, look at this beauty. I thought the doors were okay, and of course we're gonna go around and paint the trim again, but before we do that, I needed to wrap them Look how beautiful this
See,
is.
it's gonna be so
I had this
cute.
vision of wrapping the doors in a white and gold wallpaper.
Turn the light on so you can see how cute it's shaping up. Well, I just started, but you get the gist. And then look how it plays off of these curtains. So that's gonna be real cute. Yeah, it's like just a beautiful gift wrap. So it's a mess in here right now. I have stuff everywhere. But look at it. It's coming out so good. So good. Let me see if I can get up close. It's dark. As you can see, the lighting is not great. But you can see how it's coming. I gotta do the bottom. It's so cute. Done for tonight. I think the door looks really great.
Of course, the puppies love it too. Oh, and let me zoom in on these shears that I put up on the windows. I just did 2 of them this way in the front. I am going to do a window treatment on all 4 of the windows in here with like a Roman shade. So look out for that in the future. But for now, I think it's looking pretty good. And there's my hubby putting on my TV. Look at these. OMG.
Are going to go up here on each side of this painting. And they are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! I mean, Crystal is impeccable on this. Oh, we love.
And have you all noticed the cutest little Tiffany blue fridge of mine in here? I mean, is it not darling? I wanted to make sure I put in there, you know, little fancy sparkling waters and my newest favorite thing. I love lemonade, but now I'm really into these sparkling lemonades that are imported from France or Italy, or the Italian sodas. And so I wanted to make sure that my fridge was fully stocked with all of those things. And you know what the queen wants, the queen must have at hand. So this is me putting some things in there, but of course I wanted to like have it out facing so it can be artsy and cute too.
So my bar cart has arrived, and I got the cutest bell, pressed for champagne bell. Look at this. So I'm going to put up above the bar cart. It is so cute. Let's see how the bar cart comes along. I have to actually put it together. It's going to go right there by the window, and it's right now in pieces. So let's see if I can get that done. So the bar cart came out so beautiful. And look at this picture, this painting of swans that I'm going to just sit there. I just think it is so romantic. And so I'm going to make sure that's there. And obviously I'm going to stock the bar with all kinds of things and continue to style the bar. But you can see how it's going to shape up. It's so cute, and it goes with everything, right? So you kind of see how it plays nicely with the shears and the door wrapping that I've done. Swoon. Love it. And if you have been around the Queen Bee of the Ball since I started with Christmas, you know that it's about to be on and popping this Christmas season, because the swans will probably be back here. Hint, hint.
in the Queen Shed for Christmas. I am so excited about all of the ideas that I have for bringing this Queen Shed alive this Christmas season. So if you're not subscribed, I'm just saying, you don't want to miss it. You'll also want to see cute little additions to my coffee station, like the Mackenzie Child electric kettle that I scored that had me so excited. Make sure you come back to see which color I've decided to get for the Queen Shed. So you can see how I started to decorate the bookshelves already, started styling those, and I have to say, even the coffee station is having a reboot. And so you'll have to come back and see the Mackenzie Child's tea kettle and what that does there. But yeah, a lot to see. And believe it or not, maybe because I just do the most, there are still a lot of little odds and ends that need to be worked on. So come back. I plan to do one more reveal. So make sure you come back for the final Queen Shed reveal. And until then, live, love, life to the fullest. It's Queen Bee of the Ball.